The world around becomes safer. Have you ever wondered who's watching for your safety? There are more than 250 million surveillance cameras in the world. They are the foundation for city security, operating day and night in any weather. Software systems process millions of images from surveillance cameras. They are studied by operators located remotely. Huge amounts of data are transmitted to monitoring centers every second, without outages and errors. There are billions of nodes in this network. TFortis are switches that connect a network into a single system. Do you want to create a perfect IP video surveillance system? Then you need a perfect switch for it. A weatherproof housing with moisture and dust protection, built-in optical distribution frame, proprietary switchboards, lightning protection units, advanced data transmission technology, double PoE-enabled ports make it possible to power any PoE camera using twisted pair cabling. All you need to do is install the switch and connect it to the camera, power supply, and the optical fiber cable. You need functionality. Automatic camera reboot in case of hanging. Preheating of the camera housing at startup. Operating temperatures between -55 and +55 degrees and above. TFortis switches allows you to build reliable, unattended IP video surveillance networks in any conditions. We can offer turnkey solutions for any type of system. Switches powered by PoE or PoE+, having built an uninterruptible power supply. Explosion-proof and indoor switches. All TFortis products are fully integrated and are created specifically for video surveillance to ensure simple design and easy installation. You can implement any network topology with our switches. To integrate security systems and video surveillance systems, we have developed Teleport, a dry contact transmitter. It transmits the status of security sensors via Ethernet and allows you to use the existing video surveillance network to collect data from the perimeter security systems. Fort Telecom is a dynamic company, growing in its second decade. TFortis switches are manufactured in Russia. All new solutions are designed and tested here. Our equipment is certified for use in the European Union. Since 2008, we've been providing video surveillance equipment for some of the most important objects in Russia and worldwide. Sochi Olympic venues, World Cup football stadiums, science cities, and large industrial facilities. By choosing TFortis, you get lifelong technical support, which starts with a selection of equipment for your project. Video surveillance systems are becoming more extensive. The length of networks and remoteness from monitoring centers are increasing. The market changes. Tasks become more difficult. TFortis already has its own strategy and reliable solutions. And do you?